Can you imagine a world where artificial intelligence is as accessible as electricity? Picture this. AI, once a complex and costly endeavor, now readily available to businesses of all sizes, just like switching on a light. This is AI as a service, or AIaaS. It offers the tantalizing promise of scalability, cost-effectiveness, and simplified implementation, much like how electricity sparked a global revolution. The future of AI is not just possible, it's already here. Welcome, dear listener. We are glad you joined us today. If you have not already done so, please share, like, and subscribe to keep the conversation going and be notified of future videos. So, what is AI as a service and how does it work? AI as a service, or AIaaS, is the on-demand delivery of artificial intelligence capabilities. It is a cloud-based model that provides access to artificial intelligence solutions without requiring advanced IT infrastructure or coding skills. Now that might sound complicated, but think about it like this. You've got a puzzle to solve and AIaaS is like a super smart friend who helps you solve it. And the best part? This friend is available anytime you need. Let's compare AIaaS to something you might be more familiar with. Software as a service, or SaaS. With SaaS, instead of buying and installing software on your computer, you access it over the internet. AIaaS works on the same principle. Instead of building and maintaining your own AI infrastructure, you tap into someone else's, usually a tech giants like Amazon, Google, or Microsoft. But here's where AIaaS turns the game on its head. With SaaS, you're using the same software as everyone else. With AIaaS, you get AI algorithms tailored to your needs, learning and adapting in real time. It's like having a custom-built supercomputer at your fingertips. Now let's talk about benefits. First, there's scalability. AIaaS enables businesses to scale their AI capabilities up or down as needed without having to worry about the heavy lifting of infrastructure. Second, there's cost-effectiveness. With AIaaS, you only pay for what you use. No more shelling out for expensive hardware or software that might become obsolete before you've even recouped your investment. And then there's the simplicity of implementation. AIaaS simplifies the complex processes of deploying and managing AI, making it accessible for businesses of all sizes. Here's an example. Imagine you own a small online store. With AIaaS, you could use AI to predict trends in stock levels, personalize customer experiences, and even automate customer service, all without having to hire a team of data scientists. AIApplications is a game changer, enabling businesses to tap into AI capabilities quickly and effortlessly. AIaaS can benefit businesses by reducing costs, speeding up development, simplifying implementation, enabling customization, and improving data insights. AIaaS can be used for various applications such as fraud detection, chatbots, image recognition, and more. It's like having the power of a tech giant in your pocket, ready to help you solve your puzzles and propel your business into the future. Scene script. Let's dive into the real-world impact of AI as a service. Consider the healthcare industry, where AIaaS has been a game changer. A prime example is Path AI, a company that uses AI to assist pathologists in diagnosing diseases. Their cloud-based AI platform analyzes biopsy samples, enhancing the speed and accuracy of disease detection. This translates to faster, more effective treatments for patients, demonstrating the immense power of AIaaS in revolutionizing healthcare. Next, let's take a look at the finance sector. JP Chase, a leading global financial services firm, has been harnessing AIaaS to streamline their operations. They've implemented a platform called Coin, which uses AI to review and interpret commercial loan agreements. This used to be a manual task that took employees thousands of hours. Now with AIaaS, it's done in seconds, with fewer errors. In the retail industry, we have an example from Amazon, a company synonymous with innovation. They've harnessed AIaaS to enhance their customer experience. Amazon's recommendation engine, powered by AI, studies user behavior to suggest products they might like. This not only drives sales but also personalizes the shopping experience, making it more enjoyable for the customer. And it's not just large corporations that are reaping the benefits of AIaaS. Small businesses too are harnessing its potential. Consider the case of a small online boutique that uses an AIaaS platform for its customer service. By employing a chatbot, they handle customer inquiries round the clock, ensuring queries are addressed promptly, improving customer satisfaction, and freeing up time for the boutique's staff to focus on other tasks. These examples showcase the remarkable outcomes achieved by organizations that have embraced AIaaS. From enhancing the accuracy of disease detection to automating tedious tasks, from personalizing customer experiences to improving customer service, some of the main competitors in this space include Google Cloud AI, Microsoft Azure AI, IBM Watson, AWS AI, DataRobot, OpenAI, Clarify, BigML, Alibaba, ServiceNow, Salesforce Einstein AI, and more. AIAS is transforming businesses across various industries, but it's not just about the changes we're seeing today. These case studies also highlight the immense potential of AIaaS for the future. As more and more businesses adopt this approach, we're likely to see even more innovation, efficiency, and growth. These case studies make it clear. AIaaS is more than a buzzword, it's a practical solution with proven results. However, like any powerful tool, AIaaS has its challenges. As we dive deeper into the world of artificial intelligence as a service, it becomes evident that the road to AI integration is not always smooth. One of the most significant challenges lies in ethical concerns, particularly privacy and security. In a world where data is the new oil, ensuring that information is both secure and used ethically is paramount. With AIaaS, this task becomes even more complicated as businesses leverage vast amounts of data, often sensitive, to feed their AI models. The democratization of AI, thanks to AIaaS, while promising, raises questions about who has access to this data and how they can use it. Yet this is not a challenge without solutions. Organizations are addressing these concerns head-on, implementing stringent data protection measures and adopting ethical AI practices. They are setting the stage for a future where AI aids decision-making without compromising on privacy or security. Another obstacle in the pursuit of AIaaS is the lack of in-house AI expertise. While AIaaS does simplify the implementation process, a basic understanding of AI and its capabilities is still essential to maximize its potential. This is where training and education come in. Businesses are investing in upskilling their workforce, fostering an environment where AI can thrive. Furthermore, the success of AIaaS hinges on more than just overcoming challenges. It requires a clear strategy, a deep understanding of one's business needs, and a willingness to experiment and learn. It's not just about adopting AI technology, it's about creating a culture that embraces change and innovation. And let's not forget about the importance of choosing the right AIaaS provider. This means finding a partner that offers not just cutting-edge AI capabilities, but also the support and guidance needed to navigate this complex landscape. While the challenges are real, so too are the solutions. The key is to navigate them with care and foresight. After all, the rewards of AIaaS, from unparalleled scalability to cost-effectiveness and beyond, make the journey not just worthwhile, but also a strategic imperative for businesses looking to stay ahead in this ever-evolving digital world. As we stand on the brink of this AI revolution, what does the future hold for AI as a service? Well, let's take a closer look. The growth of public cloud services like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft's Azure and Google Cloud Platform is hinting at a future where AIaaS is not just a trend, but the norm. These platforms are already making AI capabilities accessible and affordable for businesses of all sizes, and they're only set to expand. As these services continue to grow and evolve, we can expect to see AIaaS become even more integral to our daily operations. The ability to tap into advanced AI capabilities without the need for extensive infrastructure or in-house expertise is a game changer. It levels the playing field, allowing small businesses to compete with industry giants and paving the way for unprecedented innovation. So, who stands to win in this AIaaS revolution? The winners will be those who embrace the technology, those who understand its potential and how to harness it. Businesses that can adapt, evolve, and integrate AIaaS into their operations will find themselves at the forefront of their industries. On the flip side, those who resist this change, those who cling to outdated methods and technologies, may find themselves left behind. The losers in this movement will be those who fail to recognize the transformative potential of AIaaS. And just how large can this market get? Well, the sky is the limit. The global AIaaS market is expected to grow from $2.4 billion in 2017 to $77 billion in 2025, with a compound annual growth rate of 56.7% during that time. As AI technology continues to advance and as more businesses realize the benefits of AIaaS, we can expect this market to grow exponentially. driven by factors such as a growing need to adopt new platforms and as-a-service offerings. We are at the dawn of a new era, an era where AIaaS is not just an option, but a necessity. However, let's not forget the challenges that come with this technological revolution. Issues like privacy, security, and ethical concerns will need to be addressed. But if we can navigate these challenges, the potential rewards are immense. The future of AIaaS is not just exciting, it's transformative. It promises to revolutionize not just businesses but entire industries, reshaping our world in the process. As we move forward into this brave new world of AIaaS, the possibilities are truly endless. So, what should we take away from our exploration of AIaaS? AI-as-a-Service, or AIaaS, is a game changer. It's an innovative approach that enables businesses, regardless of their size or industry, to leverage the power of artificial intelligence without the need for extensive infrastructure or in-house AI expertise. It's like having a personal AI powerhouse at your fingertips, ready to supercharge your operations, decision-making processes, and customer experiences. Take a moment to consider the incredible benefits. Unparalleled scalability, increased cost-effectiveness, simplified implementation, these are just a few ways AIaaS is revolutionizing businesses. And let's not forget the real-world applications we've explored, from healthcare to finance, from retail to, well, practically every industry. AIaaS is making its mark. But it's not all smooth sailing. Challenges do exist. Ethical concerns such as privacy and security are at the forefront, and you'll need to navigate these carefully. Yet, as we've seen, many organizations are rising to the occasion, addressing these issues head-on and paving the way for others to follow. Looking into the future, the outlook for AIaaS is promising. With the explosive growth of public cloud services and the democratization of AI, we're standing on the brink of a new era. The market is primed for growth, and those who embrace AIaaS stand to reap significant rewards. AIaaS is not just a trend, it's a revolution, and it's a revolution that's well underway. For more on the AI revolution and how it is transforming our lives, please check out the video cards on the end screen. Thank you for spending time with us today. We will see you in the next video.